friends, now we are going to learn about air we breathe. Our earth is made of land, water and air. All three components are very much important for the survival of all living creatures. Air is present all around us and is very important for our lives. It is very important to cause rain and for the growth of crops. It is needed for the respiration of plants and animals. Importance of air in our daily life. Oxygen present in air is needed for respiration. We can speak and hear the sound only when there is air around. Air helps in the dispersal of seeds for plant reproduction. Monsoon and rain occurs due to the wind action. Air regulates the atmospheric temperature. Air is a mixture. The air we breathe consists of a mixture of gases. It contains solid and liquid particles too. Air can be separated into its constituents such as oxygen, nitrogen, etc. Water vapor mixes with air and becomes a part of it. Air also contains dust and smoke. Air shows the properties of all these gases present in it. Example, air supports combustion because of oxygen present in it. While cooking using firewood, fanning air helps in burning of firewood. Composition and components of air. The composition of air is not constant. It varies from place to place and over time. The air is not a single element. It is made up of different substances. Nitrogen. The amount of nitrogen present in air is about 78%. It is used to fill up food packages to extend their shelf life. Liquid nitrogen is used to store living cells. Plants need nitrogen for their growth. We can see root nodules containing nitrogen in some plants. Nowadays, people use nitrogen gas to fill the tires of their vehicles. Some compounds of nitrogen are used as explosives also. Do you know, friends? In 1772, the Scottish chemist Daniel Rutherford reported noxious air, which now we call nitrogen. Oxygen. It is one of the main components of air. The amount of oxygen present in air is about 21%. All the creatures cannot live without oxygen. It can be tested with a piece of glowing splint which relies in oxygen. Uses of oxygen. All living things use oxygen for breathing. Oxygen is essential for burning. Oxygen cylinders are used in hospitals to enable the patients to breathe when they cannot breathe normally. Oxygen is used in gas welding. Do you know, friends? Mountaineers carry oxygen cylinders at high altitudes. Deep sea divers also carry oxygen cylinders along with them while diving deep into the sea. Carbon dioxide. The amount of carbon dioxide present in air is only 0.03%. Though it is less in percentage, its uses are more and essential. It can be tested with lime water. The lime water changes from colorless to milky. Uses of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide helps plants in photosynthesis. It is used in fire extinguishers. It is used in refrigerators as dry ice for cooling purpose. It is used to make plastics and polymers. Do you know, friends? The Scottish chemist Joseph Black discovered that carbon dioxide is present in air. Air has other gases like hydrogen, helium, argon, etc. in small proportion. Air also contains water vapor which varies according to the environment. When we breathe, we take oxygen from air and release carbon dioxide and water vapor to air. Thank you, friends.